Hi, Uncle and Auntie. Happy golden wedding anniversary. Sorry we cannot make it. Wish you all the best. Your turn, honey. Hope more anniversary will come. I hope we can attend the next anniversary. Wish you all the best.
We love you.
We love you all. Both of you. We miss you.
Sige, Auntie.
Aka. Hi, hi, hi. Happy anniversary. Mabuti pa. Narating nyo yung 50th anniversary. Naiingit ako sa inyo, brother, sa Sophie. Sana ganun kami rin sir. Kaya ang kaya nun.
Sorry.
Sana makatanda ko kayo.
Next time.
Anyway, I will always pray for you. Both of you, Paul, especially you. Take good care of yourself.
Say hi, Shira.
Hello, Aisa is here. Say hello. Good luck. Happy.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Say hi. Say hi.
we miss you. We miss your party and your anniversary.
Bye.
Bye. Take good care, Paul and Sophie. Be happy.
Bye-bye.
Anniversary.
Bye-bye.